Hi YouTube. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Fender Mustang Micro guitar headphone amp. So here's the packaging, 25 amp in effects, 4-hour continuous battery life, direct recording. As soon as we open the box, we see an amp model selection and effects model selection, and basically just letting you know where each button, what it does. And then as we go along, we have a hand manual here, and in here as well we have a card which is basically letting you know the effects and models, and the modify selector as well. So this is the only card you would need while you're playing, so you can bet this card is going to be pretty useful. And now also this comes with a USB-C cable. It is a USB-A to USB-C, so just remember that in case you're directly trying to record into your MacBook or something, as they don't have these ports. And as we can tell here, it's about 1.5 feet long. So that's it for the unboxing. Stay tuned for the full comprehensive review. Thank you.